Tell me where the freak's at.
I'm a good boy. Hey guys, it's Big Ben Moto Vlogs here. How is everybody doing? You've joined me on this wonderful blue sky day. Look how amazing it is up there today. So nice. But today I'm actually testing the Zoom H2n. As I bought it a little while ago, this is my third attempt at making a decent sound quality kind of video. As with these ones, you can look up online about the kind of like the best settings and best place to put it, but everything's different, you know. Some places are a lot more windier, you know. It all depends what bag the person has or whatever the person has. You know, it's so many different, how loud the exhaust is, how loud the bike is, so there's so many different factors to think of when setting one of these up. I'll put my settings down below. I've tried it on 4 mic sensitivity because that's where some people put it at, but holy Christ, no. It's so loud. My exhaust is loud anyway, so it doesn't really help the situation that I'm putting it on a higher mic sensitivity with a very loud exhaust. Got it on Amazon, not too bad. It was 145 quid, something like that it was, so it's not too bad, because that was with the accessory packs. 129 without it, and 145 something like that with the accessory packs. So I was like, hell yeah. And I bought a decently good wind jammer as well, you know, like Dead Cat or whatever it's called. Decently good one. So I actually wanted to show you today what sound quality you can get with this mic. With these ones you can plug other mics into it as well, so you can have like a 2-channel where you can record the mic in and the external and the actual internal mic as well, which is pretty cool. But you know, it's good if you have a session, for example, then you could actually just have that Zoom, whatever it is, have a mic plugged into it, then you've got an audio recorder, which is pretty cool, because getting a mic for a session is impossible. Now these are very popular in the motovlogging community. You know, one of the big names used one, which is RJ. You know, he uses it pretty much for every one of his videos. He rarely does talk in his videos. More recently he does, but not very often that he does. But he uses it quite often just to record the sound of his bikes, which is awesome, to be honest, because you do get that feeling of being there. But I have messed around and around with this voice recorder, so this is kind of like I said, like the 4th attempt of me getting some good quality sound. So 1 at the moment seems to be the best, but with the accessory pack you get like a little holder for it, so I've kind of put the mic in there with the Dead Cat and put it in there. So at the moment I hope it's going to be good sound, but there is a hell of a big difference, in sound. If you got a loud exhaust like I do, you know, it kind of brings out the beastly sound that I hear, because on the GoPro mic you rarely do hear how good the sound of this bike is, you know. But what you can do, obviously you can just have the GoPro mic if you want to, which is this one. You can, with a click of my fingers hopefully, click, that you can get the H2n audio and the GoPro mic sound going at the same time. So you really can get that kind of like awesome exhaust sound and the GoPro mic sound at the same time. Or if you really wanted to, with a click of my fingers, just go to hit the H2n sound only. Obviously the problem then is you can't hear me talk, so I'm going to click my fingers and then you're going to see how this sounds with H2n only. So 3, 2, 1, click. So how does that sound? Sounds pretty cool, doesn't it? Yeah, that's only like a snippet of it, but you can see how much more awesomeness that it brings out of your videos, you know, because audio sometimes can be a bit of a pain. You know, if it's windy, then you get the wind through the side, and it kind of just wrecks everything. Kind of gives that low hum in the background, which then it kind of like it just gets rid of all the other nice sounds that are there. Yeah, but you know, at least now you can actually hear how nice this exhaust sounds. Obviously I'm going to leave it recording, and I'm going to show you what some of these bits actually sound like. There may be a slight crackle at high-end revs. It's a possibility that it may be, but that's going to be due to just the decibel limit getting hit. The decibel limit is off, but still, sometimes once it gets that kind of like high level, it starts to crackle a decent amount. But at low levels like this, we just don't hear it anyway. But where I've decided to put this mic, or this Zoom, is in my backpack. It's in the kind of like the front pocket. But like I said, because it's in that the holder for it, it's kind of holding it in place so it doesn't move about, because you don't really want to put it in your backpack because it'll move about a lot. Like I said, this one is currently untested, so I'm hoping this is the best one. Because I did in all my other previous ones I tested out, I actually put it in the back seat, because on the MT-07 obviously you got your passenger seat, your main seat, which you have to take off with what do you call it, wrenches, but the passenger seat actually comes off with a key. So you just put the key in, click it, and it comes off, and it's quite a nice little compartment in there, so I just kind of chuck it in there. To be honest, it's good. Problem is you get engine vibrations and just general vibrations through the back, and I think it's a little bit too close to the exhaust, because it kind of hits the crackling decibel kind of noise, which is not very nice, not very nice. But hopefully this is the best one. But as soon as I get to that, as soon as I get now to the petrol station here, I'll turn it over to all Zoom, and I hope you do enjoy it. I hope so, and I hope this will actually be my last edit. I hope so. But anyway, guys, any questions about the Zoom you have, please... the purple badger. That's where the purple badger is. Any questions you have about the Zoom, or you know, I'm not going to be like the all-knowing genius with the Zoom, but you can ask me a couple of questions if you want to. And now I'm just going to do all Zoom. So hope you enjoy. Take care, guys. I shall chat to you very soon. Take care, guys. Bye bye. Bye bye.